theta, friends. That is cos theta 2 here. I can just call it as cos theta 2. That's the angle between the direct load and secondary load here, and this is same as this. If you want cos theta 2, it is nothing but the opposite side, the adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 100 divided by this hypotenuse is L1. So this is going to be 100 divided by the adjacent by hypotenuse is L1. L1 is 134.54. This is 134.54 is the value of cos theta 2 I am substituting. So with this calculation, this works out to 655.72, 655.72.11 Newton, 0.11 Newton. Friends, and if you observe this